Here at Mazza, I'm responsible for all the equipment that is on site. It's my job to keep everything up and running. When it goes down, I'm the guy they call to get it up and running. Once I come to Foley, I met Dan. He introduced the rebuild program to me. We have, of course, the dozer that was in need of it. So I figured, you know what, we'll give it a try. Kind of makes dollars and cents just to do it because you're saving probably half of the replacement cost. I got emails, I would say weekly, if not bi-weekly, of the process. You know, they showed me the machine all broken down and what stages it was at and where we were and, you know, what the estimated time to completion was. It takes the headache out of what I have to deal with every day. So we received it back Friday afternoon, and actually, we normally don't work on Sundays, but we had to come in on a Sunday, jumped in the machine, fired it up, and ran. So it's one of those things to where once it's refurbished, I don't have to worry about that today. I don't have to worry about it next week. If there is a problem, I just call Foley, and I know it's handled.